Mrs. K here with another art lesson. So this week we're still talking about value. And what we're going to do is make a value landscape. Now, what is a landscape? A landscape is a picture of outside. Our pictures are going to be mountains. So this is a little bit similar to our monochromatic art project, but it is a little bit different, so stay tuned. So we are going to draw mountains that are nice and pointy using zigzag lines, and they're going to go back in the distance, and they're going to change color. So the first thing that I'm going to do is draw my first set of mountains. They're going to be really big, so I'm going to draw big zigzag lines like that. All right, the next set of mountains is going to go behind it. It can look a little bit different, like that. Let's do maybe one more set of zigzag lines. There. All right, and in the back, I'm going to draw either a sun or a moon. Either way, it's going to be this kind of like arch. So I'm going to draw a rainbow line here. Cool. Okay, so now onto our colors. I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use blue and black. So the first thing that I'm going to do is start with my blue. So I'm going to use my blue, and I'm going to color this in solid blue. Coloring really close together. I don't want any white spaces. Remember, if you have trouble staying in the lines, you can kind of have yourself or a parent or somebody outline the space that you're supposed to color in, and it kind of helps us stay inside the lines. I'm going to color all the way to the bottom, or mostly to the bottom of this paper. Remember, if you're drawing on a table or something, you might want to have another scrap piece of paper underneath so you don't color on the table at home. Okay, whew, shake out my hand. That was a lot of coloring. So now to make this blue darker, we're going to use a little bit of black. So I'm not going to press very hard because black is a very powerful color. It can really change the color of our picture fast. So if you press lightly and go slowly, you'll slowly change the color. And this way you can get the color that you want. I just want this to be a little bit of a darker blue. So just slowly, very lightly, going to color black over top. Not pressing very hard at all. Okay, so you can already see that this blue over here is a darker blue than this blue because I colored a little bit with black over top. I'm going to do the rest of this mountain that's closest to us. Okay, done. So now this is like my darkest blue. Okay, it's like blue-black. Now I just need blue for the rest of this picture. So the next mountains, I'm still going to color blue. I can press about as hard as I press down here, maybe a little bit lighter. Awesome. So you can already see that this blue is lighter than this blue. So our picture has value. It has lights and darks of the same color. Remember, value in art doesn't mean how much something is worth. It means lights and darks. So if your picture has lights and darks, then it has value. Okay, so now we have darkest blue, dark blue. We're going to do a lighter blue up here. So I'm going to press a little bit lighter with my crayon. Okay, so we have darkest, dark, light, we're going to leave this shape where our sun is or our moon is white. And we're going to do this background, the sky here, the lightest blue possible. So you want to take your crayon and you want to press very, very lightly, like your hand is super, super loose. The lightest blue possible. Just like a bare little hint of blue. Awesome. And now we're all done. So our picture definitely has value. It has lights and darks. It goes from the darkest blue all the way back to the lightest blue. So the color slowly and slowly, slowly gets lighter, or it slowly and slowly, slowly gets darker. Okay? I hope you had fun, guys. I'll see you next time.